Today I would like to show another product that is compatible with AirTag case, Keychain AirTag case holder, Silicone AirTags, keyring cases AirTags, Keychain compatible with Apple AirTag, GPS item finders, accessories for pack. Now I would like to describe the details of this product. That is brand Hattelkin, color pink, yellow, orange, blue. Compatible devices, GPS, form factor, case, shell type, soft. About this item, compatibility, the AirTag case designed and cut, especially compatible with the Apple AirTag 2021 GPS item finder. Release perfect fit. The AirTag case 4 packs are 4 different color combinations compatible with the Apple AirTag to make your life more colorful. Shockproof silicone material. The AirTag cover bumper is compatible with your delicate AirTag. The AirTag case holder is made of waterproof silicone material, which could provide a stronger buffer when bumps or drops to fully protect your AirTags. Until also with keychain design, this AirTag case comes with a fashionable metal carabiner is offered so that you can easily hang the AirTags everywhere. The enclosure fits tightly around your AirTag to ensure that it stays put, so you can keep track of whatever it's attached to. You can attach an AirTag case holder to a dog, cat, pet collar, your cat keyring, your bag, your child's school bag, the bellows, and more. Easy installation. The exposed hole design is very conductive to signal transmission and unized installation. Just put your label in the silicone strip. A precise cutout shows the original logo of the brand. Best gifts. Spoil your loved ones with a great gift. Brighten your wife's, girlfriend's, husband's, boyfriend's, or kids' day with premium silicone. AirTag GPS item finder case holder keychain. Package includes AirTag case holder keychain 4 pack. Now I would like to show a video of this product. Now I would like to show images of this product. Another is. Thanks for watching this video. If you are interested to buy this product, please go description of this video to find product link.